partner for an established university in London.
I'm a business and commercial operations graduate.
I work at a pharmaceutical company.
I'm a business commercial graduate.
The best things, it gives you a lot of frameworks which you can take forward.
I've improved my communication skills. The 3 areas is in the way I structure my communication, the clarity with which I communicate, and also the impact that I have when I communicate.
More confident in presenting yourself, and to be able to feel more confident in thinking on your feet when you're brought into those difficult meetings.
Getting around, talking and actually applying what you learn. It's that practical aspect.
Really practice it with some of your own work examples as well, which I found really valuable.
It's not just all theory, it's getting on your feet.
The good thing about the course is that it's interactive, but they do also teach you the theory, but then they give you lots of opportunities to practice that.
So many practical skills which I'm really looking forward to applying at work.
What I've learned has been able to be used in all walks of life, from personal, professional and my career.
As I progress through my career, a lot of the skills and frameworks will be extremely valuable.